Assalamu alaikum. Can you tell me your introduction, please? How did you came here?
Hello, my name is Vasile Hotin, and I'm from Romania. I'm Christian. I'm 17 years old.
And how did you came here? What was your problem?
My leg was bent, and I came here through my Muslim friend. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. How did you find the Sheikh Hotin Vasile?
Yeah, he's a man of God. He's helping people, non-Muslims and Muslims. He wants to help all humanity. You know.
So the problem you had, now your problem is getting better when you visited here. Is it?
Come again, please.
Your problem is getting better when you visited here.
Yes, of course. I'm getting treatment from Hakateb, and it's getting better.
Okay. So did anybody charge you anything when you came here?
No, it was all free.
All free. Okay. So what message do you want to give to the viewers about the Sheikh, about his mission?
He wants to spread love, peace, and to help people, everyone in this world.
Okay, thank you.